हॅलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन. आय होप यू ऑल आर डुईंग व्हेरी वेल. सो आज मला थोडंसं फेमिनाईन आणि मॅस्क्युलाईन एनर्जीजबद्दल बोलायचं आहे. सो वी ऑल हॅव दिस पार्ट इन अस दॅट इज क्वाईट नर्चरिंग अँड caring, whereas the other part of us that is very strong and you know very powerful. So मला असं वाटतं, but most of the times what we do is either of this parts is more active than there being a balance between both of them. So either I'm more nurturing or over caring, or either I'm more harsh or more rough with myself and people around me. So what I feel is we all need to bring both these parts into balance within us. So I feel, see, if we see a king or a queen, they both are powerful, strong, elegant, yet they are more caring and nurturing towards themselves as well. And because they are caring and nurturing and strong for themselves, probably they are also caring and nurturing for people around them. So मला असं वाटतं की in this coming week we all need to observe की is either of this part very dominant in me. So if I'm always you know in the fighting mode, dealing with stuff, can I be more softer, more calmer, or maybe more subtle, more composed? And if I'm more what you can say, over caring and over nurturing towards or over protective towards myself and others, then I need to building up. I need to build up this strength that is already there within me. So मला असं वाटतं in this coming week we all need to be the queens for ourselves who are more composed, as well as they're fierce and strong. And for all the men out there, you all need to be the king of your life. So when you take charge of your life, you will also take charge of the situations and things around you. So, but in this process, when you're being courageous, let's also start being more nurturing and a little softer towards people around us. You don't always have to be in the hustle fighting with stuffs in your life. So I feel to all the queens and all the kings who are watching this, like, let's take charge and let's bring this balance within us, and let's be the true queens and true kings in the real sense, I feel. So think about it and do let me know. Thank you.